working, boys.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
You're on crib.
You got kicked out of a beach.
Man!
What's the matter? What is this thing? Mom! Don't touch my toothbrush!
What is that?
What?
Ready? Wait, should we shake him first? Give him a good shake?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, John, that's enough. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Here are the beans.
The fuck?
Host. bitch. Pause. Nigga, nigga. Nigga.
What happened to her? Oh, it's not in neutral. She stopped.
Why am I working?
How many racers were in that race?
Let's go, buddy!
my shit, you know what I'm saying?
Second motos. Nice last straightaway pass there,
You should
pal.
have seen that fucking whip, bud.
jurisdiction that won't